So guys, now I am going to show you how to find the addresses using Immunity Debugger itself. I mean without Mona plugin. Okay, we need to know just Immunity Debugger basics. In the case if you do not have a Mona module at the right time. Now I am running the binary, and what I am going to do is right click on the CPU pane and click on search for, and you can see here bunch of options. All commands in all modules. It means that it will search for a command in every module the programming is using. Suppose the programming is using 10 DLL files, it will search the command in every DLL files. And we can also search sequence of commands. You can say multiple 2 or 3 instructions that occur as a sequence. You can check in all modules using this option. And similarly, you can check only in this CPU pane, which is oscp.exe command and sequence of command. Now what I am going to do is I am going to say Mona modules. It just shows modules with the security mitigation. I found that ESS func.dll is having no security mitigation. Now I can say view executable modules. Now there you can see our ESS func.dll. Now what I'm going to do is double click on this. Now it just shows the code which is in the ESS func.dll. Now right click on this and search for command, type jump esp and click on find, and there you go. You will get some bunch of addresses, and you can see the first one which is we have found earlier. You can copy to the notepad and you can compare with the bad characters, and you can also do search for our commands in our modules jump esp, and it will show you every jump esp instruction in all the modules. And the left side column you can see the address values, and you can directly check it with a notepad. I mean pasting the bad characters in notepad, and you can check with these addresses. Okay, this is just to show you that we can also search in Immunity Debugger besides Mona, but I prefer to use Mona even after using Mona once you check manually the address is bad character free or not.